Hello everyone, myself Malti, teacher in Hybrid Tutorials. So I completed my MSc BEd in 2003. I am working as a teacher for 15 years.
Ma'am, what should I do after 10th? I'm confused between science, commerce and arts.
So that mainly depends on you which subject you like or you love the most. So we have three streams: science, commerce, arts. So if you want to become really, if you want to become an engineer, doctor, or a research field, if you want to go for research field, astrophysics like that, you can take science. And if you want to become a business entrepreneur, or if you want to become some management field, you have to become CA, chartered accountant, you can go for commerce. And if you want to become journalism, you want to become a journalist, or if you want to face some UPSC exams, IAS, AS, in that case, you can choose arts.
Ma'am, I took science in 12th, but now I want to change my career path. Is that okay?
Yes, you can, because science field is the basic foundation for you. You can go for any of the stream available in the whole field. If you can go for business field, you can go for journalism field, you can go for any other fields, even for medical courses, paramedical courses, everywhere you can go if you took science.
Ma'am, how do I know what career is right for me?
So that is mainly depend on your which hobbies you like the most and which field you are interested, and mainly based on your skills, and whether you are a problem solver or you are a business interested account solver or you are a creative thinker. Depending on that, you can choose your career to best of your life.
Ma'am, is it okay if I haven't figured out my career yet?
Yeah, it's also fine. You can come to Hygiene Tutorials so that you can come to know which are the fields available for you and which field you are interested. We can guide you well. So success is not depending on your marks. It depends on your skill and your consistency, your interest, your patience. So mainly you are focused only on your studies and your skills. Build up your skills and whatever you wanted to become. So there we are there to help you, and we are there in Hybrid Tutorials so that you can get the more guidance. If you have any queries, you can drop the comment on this and you can contact us anytime to have a bright future in your life. Thank you so much.